welcome to my channel. This is Eva at the Busy Mummy Unboxing, and this is the Brambles of Hull monthly box. They do a few monthly boxes. I've already had the Gothic Witchy one, and this is the Witch's Magical Mystery one. So different items every time, all in this lovely beautiful packaging. Okay, so let's get it open. I'll try and be quick with this. And there we go. That's what it says. And we're in. Okay, so this is a large box which I paid $45 for, and it's full of as you can imagine, like witchy stuff. They do have more boxes to choose from, so if you're into like unicorns, you can get like a unicorn box or a mermaid one, and a few others. I can't think what they all are, but they do have quite a lot of stuff on there. They sell on Etsy as well as having their own store in Hull. It's a place I wouldn't mind visiting. And again, I'll just show you if I can. So let me. Everything is like wrapped in this green and yellow paper. So, where should we start? Go for a small one. Everything has these like little witchy signs on which say thank you for your order. Okay, what have we got here? Okay, so we've got some incense. You normally get incense in these boxes, and these are the cones, for which I have a cone holder. And this says Sandalia. So let's have a look, let's see if we can get them out and show. So I mean they are quite a big cones as well. And I need to get like a little metal plate to put them on too. They smell good. Okay. So that's the first one. And then we have this, which feels like a bottle of something. So yeah, this bottle, it says, let's get it out, alright? Floral water, get closer to the purity of nature. Okay. Floral water used for as a skin tonic or in cosmetics. Oh, okay. Excellent for soothing, relaxing, and calming all skin types. Ooh. Yeah, it just smells florally. It's chamomile. So that's that one. It's kind of like a face refresher, or might even help like remove makeup, but there's that. And quite a big bottle too. Okay. This one says free gift on it. So let's have a look what's in here. It's gorgeous. Oh, I think these legs have come off in there, but I can glue that on, not to worry. It's lovely, and as it said, that was a free gift. Wrapping back up. What we got here? You've got a 10ml citron Ella essential oil, and an information sheet on how to use that. You've also got some penny, is that Pennyroyal healing. Protection before travel, peace, ward off evil. Tranquility. So we've got some herbs. Pennyroyal is called Pennyroyal, yeah, that's right. Big bag of herbs. And this one is eucalyptus, which are used in quite a lot of spells. I've certainly used these before, so definitely come in handy. Spell kit. Have a look what's in here. Just need a knife just to open it up a little bit. Okay, so what we have is a spell, Welcome at Abundance spell kit, ritual kit. Everything in this bag, I think, to spell with. So we've got some smudging sage, sage stick. There's a candle, abundance candle, and abundance herbs. Adventuring stone and a yellow cover. And Palo Santo stick. And the spell itself. Let's have a look. So this is the spell that she's done for me. Just the way it's in like a little scroll. And put everything back in this little bag. Okay, so a few more things to open. I'll do this one. Ooh, so Witch's Welcome Sign, and it's not one that I've got already either. That's quite a new one. I haven't seen that one before. I've got a few of them, but I haven't got this one. It's like, but maybe put on my window. It's quite cool, actually. I like that. Okay, so I've got 3 more. They're quite big. That's heavy. I'll do this one actually, something a bit lighter. Oh, I like that. It's really cool. Okay, triple moon light hanger. Guess you could hang that on your altar or just hang it above a window. I think I love that. Wow. Very nice. Very cool. Very me. It's gorgeous. Okay. 2 left. We've got a clothing of some sort of here. It's just all over the place. I've been about 4 unboxings today, so yeah, I've got stuff everywhere. It's wrapped very well. Yeah, it's gorgeous. So, it's very heavy. definitely like, yeah, it's cast iron, that's why it's so heavy. Look at that, that's gorgeous. And a little lid. For something quite like that size, you wouldn't believe the weight it's got in it. It's very, very heavy. I'm going to just wrap that back up because it is lovely. I don't want to damage it. So I've got one more box item to open. This one. Oh wow. It's so weird. You know what? I've been wanting one of these witchy cups for ages. I keep seeing them online and in stores and thinking, should I get one? And now I've got one. Look at that. Just awesome. It says White Witch on it. And it's got the little kind of cauldron feet. Yeah, beautiful. So again, yeah, and I've got a really good box from Brambles. I'll just do a quick run through. Let's do some rest. You can see it, hopefully not. Okay, so we've got the cup. We've got the floral water. The cones for incense. We've got the sign. We've got this gorgeous triple moon hanger. A spell kit. We've got some herbs and oil. And the cauldron, of course. So that's everything in my box, and it says the contents were £58.43, so I saved £17.93. The dearest item being the cauldron at £16.99, and the cheapest being the cones at £1.50. So she sent the list too, which is great. Have I forgot something? Oh yeah, of course. Well, the free little unicorn. So yeah, another awesome box, and that's the Brambles of Hull May box. One of the May boxes. I do normally get 2 of them, and yeah, all of them. So that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed watching, and please give me a like and a comment and subscribe. Thank you.